Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. A couple of months ago I used this Fabuloso orange scented one. Now I have got the refreshing lemon. I'll give this one a try. The floor is actually dirty today. I was walking through last night real late and splashed a little bit of sweet tea on the floor. I quickly wiped it up, but there's a sticky spot right in the middle. So let's go over to the cloud cam. I don't expect much over there. Over at the cloud cam, let's see, what do we got? A fourth cup and a gallon of water. Now since the floor is actually dirty today, let's go ahead and mix it up. A full strength batch. So 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 1/4. So maybe all the purists will be a little happier today. Oh yeah, that's got a very nice lemon scent to it. I think this is going to work very well. I don't know if the other angle will pick up the dirty spot, but we'll go back over to the floor cam and I'll point it out. I don't know if it's going to show on this one. Right in this area here. Don't know if the camera's going to show it streaked up or not, but it is in real life. So let's get it cleaned up. As usual, I will go over the floor 2 times, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here between rounds and at the end of the mopping. So let's go for it. Round 1. Round 1 is completed. And as another reminder, this floor is 68 years old. It's not going to be perfect. And round 2 begins. Round 2 is completed. So I think it did a fine job cleaning the floor. Got a little suds built up. Take a look at the water. It is darker than it was when I began, because of that little bit of a sticky spill on the floor. So once again, the Fabuloso original multi-purpose floor cleaner, refreshing lemon, definitely a good one to have in the rotation, especially if you like the citrus flavors. Does a fine job. Once again, thank you for watching.